At the resumed hearing, lead counsel to the first respondent, INEC, Barrister Omosede, contended that his client was not properly served as it received notices at its Benin office instead of its national headquarters in Abuja. Counsel to the first petitioner and member representing Ovia Federal Constituency, Barrister Omosede Igbinedion, Barrister Kingsley Uchegbu, argued that the motion was not ripe for consideration and prayed the tribunal to set it aside. Counsel to the second respondent, Ken Mozia SAN, urged the tribunal to determine the issue of service before commencement of hearing on the matter. The three-man panel, led by Justice O. Ogundano, adjourned hearing till Friday this week to enable parties file their responses for the tribunal to hear all pending motions before concluding pre-hearing for the Edo Central Senatorial District seat, where the APC and its candidate John Igbinedion are challenging the outcome of the senatorial election in 95 out of the 456 units. The tribunal said ruling will be delivered alongside final judgment and advised parties to submit 3 photocopies of authority cited in their reliefs. Counsel to the first respondent, Senator Clifford Odia, Barrister Kingsley Uchegbu, also informed the tribunal of his readiness to cross-examine 86 witnesses, 27 by the second respondent, the People's Democratic Party, and 40 by INEC, who are the third respondent. The tribunal earlier adjourned till 12 noon on Wednesday this week to hear all pending applications for Edo Central, West, and Igweben Federal Constituency. Counsel to parties comment on the day's proceedings.
Against Honorable that matter had to be adjourned because the petitioner respondent insisted that reply on points of law must be put in writing instead of allowing the applicant to respond orally.
We are inching towards hearing in the matters because when you finish with pre-hearing, then you go to hearing, and that's where we are all. It's still at the pre-hearing stage. This is about the first now, where there's a scheduling for hearing. All the others have interlocutory issues.
A motion was brought in by the petitioner to remove the first respondent from defending.
That's you.
Yes, I represent the first respondent. But we also, the first respondent also brought a motion setting aside their service. And that is what the court is going to decide.
Meanwhile, the tribunal announced that it will sit on Saturdays if need arises, while sitting at the hearing stage has been scheduled for between 9:30 in the morning to 6 p.m. Kingsley Uchegbu reporting.